guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Serenity. That is my real name, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get all of the notifications whenever I upload anything to my channel. My hair video reviews, to makeup review, to makeup tutorials. This look here is just whatever I really threw together. I am going to a work Christmas party. I know this is the new year, but we were working during the holidays, so we didn't get to have our Christmas party that we normally have. So here today, January 6th, we're gonna have our Christmas party, and I wanted to keep it natural, so this is as natural as it's going to be. It's very wearable, definitely, you know, a great date night look if you want it to be. And it's very glowy, as you can tell. Shout out to Rihanna and Jackie Anna for the glow. But if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then make sure you keep on watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, you guys, so off camera, I've already done my brows. I've already prepped my skin. So now I'm going to take the Becca Evermatte Primer and the Benefit Cosmetics Matte Rescue Primer, and I'm going to mix those two together to create a even better primer, in my opinion. I don't like the Becca by itself because I like to rub it into my skin, and you're supposed to only pat it into your skin. So I get to rub it on my skin and pat it into my skin with the Benefit Cosmetics Primer, and I love the way that it finishes. Now I'm going to take the Coty Airspun powder, and I'm using this powder before my foundation so that I can help control whatever excess oils that try to peek through onto my skin. Even though the LA Colors Truly Matte Cappuccino foundation is super matte, but I mixed that with a little bit of the NYX foundation because it has like a nice satin finish. The brush that I am going to be using for this foundation is the Real Techniques buffing brush. I like this brush because it just places the foundation directly onto my skin nice and smoothly, and it gives that full coverage look that I like. It doesn't just soak up all of my foundation into the brush. So lately I've definitely been mixing the LA Colors foundation with another one of my favorite foundations, and I have just been in love with doing that. All of my foundation, my base just looks absolutely perfect. It looks absolutely amazing doing that, and I don't think I'm going back because that is, oh my god, it looks absolutely flawless. You see, I love it. Like, I'm just feeling myself. Next thing I do is take my Fenty Beauty Maple Matchstick, and I'm going to use that to highlight. The thing about these is that you have to kind of work really fast with them because they are already dry, and unless like your skin is like really warm, they're not gonna melt too much with your skin. So you kind of gotta work fast or they won't budge, they won't blend. So you might have to spray your beauty blender or brush. The next thing I'm going to do is take the Fenty Truffle Matchstick, and I'm going to only use this one to contour my nose. I absolutely love this one because it's perfect, like the perfect shade to contour my nose. Then I'm going to take one of the Sigma Beauty concealer brushes. This is from their Bunny line, I believe. And I'm just going to pat in that concealer that's on my nose and the contour that's on the side of my nose, so that both of those two marry together. I'm just patting at the lines of demarcation to blend those in so you can't tell where they start and where they stop. Now I did kind of spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray before I started to blend this into my skin to help that concealer to move in or move a little bit better, because like I said, the Fenty matchsticks are very dry. So if you have dry skin, I definitely recommend that you overly moisturize your face, because other than that, it's not gonna budge. Now I'm going to take the Pure Cosmetics Cameo Contour Stick in the shade Deep. You guys know that I absolutely love these sticks. Now, these can get dry, but all you have to do to revive them is just, warm them back up on your hand, and they'll keep it going. They'll move. They'll blend with your skin so effortlessly. And I'm just taking the butt of my beauty blender to blend that in with my skin. Now, it didn't quite blend in as much as I wanted to on my forehead, but that's mainly because I probably overdid the powder for my forehead, because my forehead has been a little bit on the dry side lately. So I probably shouldn't have put as much powder as I did. So everything is really, really sticking to it. But whenever I put on my powder, you won't even be able to tell. Now I'm taking a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm just going to use my finger to kind of blend that out. I'm only using like the smallest amount. I just want a little bit more brightness underneath my eyes so I can look alive and awake, but I'm not giving myself no raccoon eye or anything like that. So I'm not just overdoing it with a too light concealer. But I'm just trying to open up my under eyes. And I take whatever excess is left, like, from that beauty blender, and I place it onto my chin. And I'm also going back with the beauty blender, just tapping it over everything. Now I'm going to take this Kohgendo translucent powder. This was one of my old coat classics. Like, I just freaking loved this powder. I don't know why I stopped. Well, I'll take that back because I only have like a little bit left. Like, this is probably like the first almost empty container that I've had in a super long time. I absolutely love this powder. It is so super finely milled. It gives you like just like this nice halo glow look underneath my eyes, and I really love the finish of it. When I tell you this one gives you like that airbrush finish, this one gives you an airbrush finish. So I'm definitely probably about to start back using this. So you guys are probably going to see this in like all of my videos. Now for the sides of my face, the rest of my face, I take my RCMA no color powder and I just blend that over my contour and the area underneath my contour, just so that everything looks like seamless. Everything has like that one nice layer to it. And I got that trick from Color du Jour on Instagram. I absolutely love the way that she does people's foundation, and she just basically presses in like the translucent powder all over her client's face. Now I'm taking a little bit more of that not translucent, Lord have mercy, I'm taking that Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm placing that onto my lid for a base. And I'm going to be using this Morphe Cosmetics 35O palette to do my eyeshadow, and this was the almost the only palette. I'm lying, like I used one more palette with one more shadow. I used that first color as my transition shade, and you guys, oh my god, I wish well, I need you guys to watch my Huda Beauty video, like just watch that one. But now I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm kind of gonna go a little bit lower than what I did the first shadow for. All of my brushes are gonna be Sigma and Morphe brushes. I'll leave all the brush numbers down below. And there are some Morphe brushes that you guys like I'm gonna put an asterisk by, because you guys like absolutely positively need them. And those brushes I learned about from TaylorMade Jane. Oh my god, they are freaking life. I'm talking past what I need to, but I use that orange shade to give myself a little bit of some warmth to my eyes. Oh my god, I never get through a video without somebody freaking texting or calling me. Now I am taking, this is one of those brushes I'm talking about. This is a Morphe brush. I can't tell you the number because I don't really know it. I haven't memorized them that much or so far, but this brush gets right in the crease of my eyes. And I'm using that same brush again to go with this nice brown shade. Like, I'm just going up in depth for as the eyeshadows. I'm going from lightest to darkest to deepen my crease. And that's mainly what you want to do, is just create transitions with your eyeshadows. You want to go from light to dark, and that is what's going to make your eyeshadows just look seamless. And a whole lot of blending. You have to blend, blend, blend until you can't see where something starts and when something stops. Now I'm packing on that deep brown eyeshadow onto the outer corner of my eye with this Morphe brush. These small Morphe brushes are like the shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I can't put it any other way, but they, oh my god. I'm going to put asterisks beside those because you're gonna need them. Now I'm taking a little bit more of that Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to lightly cut my crease. I'm not making it like, you know, just dramatic or anything like that, because I still want it to be super, super soft. So my line isn't super sharp, but you can tell that it is a cut crease. I'm taking this beigey, yellowy matte shade. And matte shades make your eyeshadow like pop whenever you put like a little bit of, what you want to call it, it's the next thing I'm gonna do. Whenever you do black liner, like matte eyeshadows pop against your eyes when you use a black liner. So I'm using this matte eyeshadow, little bell one, beige one. And right where that brown shadow stops and that white shadow starts, I put this little brick shadow right in the middle. Ooh, I cannot talk. In the middle of those two, so I can create a nice transition. And then I go on the bottom of my lower lash line with that dark brown shadow. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay Perversion eye pencil. I love that one. You need that. You really need that. Now, something else that you need is the LA Splash Center. This is a cream black liner. It's super, super amazing. It is blackest of the black. I hate using it with one of those small liner brushes. I just need to stick with the angle brushes because I just can't. I can't really just do my liner like I want to with these like small liner brushes. So I need to stick with the angle brushes. But I was trying it out, see if I could work with it, and I just can't. Like, it takes absolutely just too much time. So I would suggest maybe an angle brush because you can work so much faster with those. Do little touch-ups with these small liner brushes, but not for the full liner. Like, well, just for me, it's not for me. It's just not for me. But take your time, take your time. Now, this is what I was saying. I'll take my World Traveler palette and this black eyeshadow, which is Noir. You need Noir in your life because this is like one of the deepest black eyeshadows you'll ever have. Most pigmented. Like, I absolutely love it. And I'm just packing that where I stopped my liner on my eyes, and I'm kind of blending that, buffing that into the crease area. Just a tad bit. Nothing too far. Just mainly at the outer corner of my eye. Just packing it on. And then I go back with the brush that had a little bit of brown on it to like blend at the edges of that black eyeshadow we just placed down. Now I'm going to take that shimmery shadow and I'm going to place that into my tear duct of my eye just to kind of open it up and give it that little sex appeal to it, you know. Now I'm taking my MAC Deep Skin Finish. Well, no, I'm lying. This is MAC Dark Skin Finish. And I'm just pressing that into my skin all over my face, everywhere. I didn't put any highlight at, but I do go over my contour just a little bit so that it blends in as well. I just like the way that this, you know, makes your face look. It just makes it look so airbrushed. If you don't have the mineralized skin finishes, you're missing out. Period. Just period. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my old Henriksen Grease Relief Spray. These are discontinued. I only have like 2 more. But I'm just using this spray to take away that powdery look. And this just makes your face just look super, super natural. Again, I'm going to link the Black Beauty Luxury Lashes down below. You guys need to check her out. All of her lashes are $5 or $6. and you guys, these are the mink lashes. So get your hookup from her, tell her that I sent you, and you go ahead and buy some. She's black, so go ahead and buy some. I'm just saying, you know, support your black girls. Now I'm gonna take this Fenty Rum Matchstix, and well, this is the rum, so this is a highlighter, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush to apply this to my skin. You guys, I'm basically using this as a base so that my next highlight will pop even more. So yeah, I'm just taking this and blending this onto the high points of my face, which are my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, a bit of my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. Just a tad bit on my chin. But this is like absolutely gorgeous by itself, so you really don't have to do the second thing that I'm gonna place. But you know, if you want to be extra like me, just be a little extra and add some more glow. So I'm gonna take the Artist Couture Le Bronze by Jackie Anna, and see that's just wow. Like, oh my god. See, I had never bought Le Bronze, so I got them in the bundle deal, Le Bronze and Le Peach, and oh my god, like Le Bronze is like Le Bronze. Yeah, I absolutely love Le Peach and Le Bronze, and Le Bronze is like shapopping. But I absolutely love Le Peach because it's super amazing, and it actually reminds me of, if you didn't get Le Peach, go to I'm gonna link it down below, but it's one called DZAC. I can't remember who it's by, but Tia from Instagram, she did a collab with the company, and it's basically almost the same color. Probably a perfect dupe for it. Now I'm going to take this LA Splash lip liner pencil called Tuscan. Oh my god, you guys, these are so bomb and creamy. I'm going to link that down below because you're going to need some of these lip liners. They're super amazing, and they have a smudger brush. Oh, I'm about to burp. Excuse me. I'm going to leave the, why am I saying this? It has a smudger brush on the other end. Like, I'm just having all kinds of brain farts. But it has a smudger brush on the other end with it. Now I'm going to take this Anastasia Lovely liquid lipstick. And I'm basically just placing this all over my lips. And I'm, like, smashing them together so that the lip liner and the lipstick marry together. Then I am going to take this MAC Cosmetics lip gloss. Unfortunately, I think it's Nymphet, but I just don't have the little circle thing at the bottom of it telling me what the name of it is. But I think it's called Nymphet, and I think that's like basically the only real pink lip gloss that I had from them. But I believe it's Nymphet. Yeah, and this is basically the finished look, you guys. If you like this tutorial, if you like me to kind of keep everything in the videos, you like these long videos, let me know. Please tell me down in the comment section that you want the videos to be full length videos so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please like the video, you guys. Let's get this to like 50 to 100 likes. Like, and share to your Instagram, not your Instagram, you can't do that. Share to your Facebook and your Twitter accounts, so we can get those shares up. So share, and like this video. Send somebody my way as well. And thank you guys again. Bye.